So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Windows key not working on Windows 11. So if the Windows key is not working, so first of all try with the Fn plus Windows key. Many keyboards have a WinLock feature. So for this, you need to press Fn plus Windows key on your keyboard for 3 seconds. And once you do this, the Windows key will work fine. In case the issue is still not resolved, then this can be due to filter keys. The next thing you can do is turn off filter keys. For this, click on the start icon on the taskbar. Now from here, click on settings. Now on the left pane, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down and select keyboard. Now here turn off the toggle next to filter keys. And that's it. Now press Windows key on your keyboard and this should work fine. In case the issue is still not resolved, then try restarting Windows Explorer. For this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. Now this will open Task Manager. Now here search for Windows Explorer. Now select it and then click on Restart Task. And once you do this, the issue will be fixed. So this I can fix Windows key not working on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.